After more than 20 years in business, working with many household name manufacturers all over the globe, we've learned that there are really only two things that truly matter to manufacturing companies: realizing big gains in quality and efficiency. And we have a proven methodology for making those gains really happen. It's what we do. You see, at PINpoint, we have a simple yet extremely powerful belief that action, rooted in knowledge, is the path to manufacturing excellence. And today, the opportunity for quality and efficiency gains is bigger than ever as part of what many are calling Industry 4.0. But why is Industry 4.0 such a big deal? The plant floor operations are just like an iceberg, where you can only see less than 10% of what is above the water. The 90% below the surface are all the hidden metrics that companies can use to discover massive opportunities. These metrics are what's called the hidden factory, and fully harnessing all that lies beneath the surface is the gold mine that leads to big quality and efficiency gains. And yes, we know this from experience. Understandably, the hard part for most is where to start. That's where we come in. PINpoint provides a fast, easy solution that is fully configurable and out of the box. Our best-in-class V5 MES software is used today by many leading manufacturers all over the globe. From day one with PINpoint, you're easily able to enforce a repeatable process and create a very rich data set, one that's unique and revolutionary, that exposes the hidden factory. You may have data, but you don't have data like this. And that's not the best part. We're not just a software company that installs a solution and leaves. We have a proven methodology for working with you to realize these big quality and efficiency gains. And companies are ecstatic to learn that the improvements are often fast, low-tech changes that offer quick paybacks and accelerate a continuous improvement mindset across the organization. Customers who leverage the PINpoint way have typically seen 35% productivity gains. Imagine what producing 35% more products each day would do for your results. And through enforcing a repeatable process, a reduction of up to 94% of warranty claims. These are actual improvements that some of our customers have experienced with PINpoint. Interested in improving quality and efficiency at your company? We thought so. Contact us to discuss further and begin your path to improvement today. You can also learn about us on our website. PINpoint. Action rooted in knowledge is the path to manufacturing excellence.